Hi, I'm Marky. I'm the Director of Engineering for Alibaba Cloud Container Services. Today, I will give you some introduction for the cloud-native technologies behind the W11 Global Shopping Festival, especially for the Alibaba Cloud Container Service. After 12 o'clock at night, W11 was officially kicked off. The number of orders created at peak was reaching 583,000 per second, making this year's achievement more than 1.4 thousand times of the first W11 in 2009. How to make that happen? The cloud-native technologies play the key role for that. Firstly, the core systems are all cloud-native. It's run on the cloud with great elasticity. Most of the key applications running in Kubernetes clusters served by AZK, Alibaba Cloud Kubernetes services. Alibaba Cloud supports one of the largest Kubernetes clusters in the world, which enabling the upscale to 1 million containers in 1 hour. In Tmall and Taobao application, every page you saw, every single click you made, every transaction you taken are running in container, not only for the microservice architecture application, and this is the first year, the CDN edge computing application are running in Kubernetes on a large scale, and the core database from RDS are running in Kubernetes also to support W11 widely. Besides Alibaba Group, there are thousands of domestic and international customers run their application platform on AZK, and let me give you several examples for how they are using Kubernetes services during W11. Perfect Diary is the most popular beauty brand among Gen Z in China. It's also the top 1 seller for the beauty category in this shopping festival. At the peak time, there are 50 times transaction as usual. This time, they reconstructed their IT system on cloud-native architecture. All the applications are run in the elastic bare metal instance managed by AZK Kubernetes cluster, combined with Alibaba Cloud's middleware to help customers improve overall reliability, stability, observability, and the new system helps them to handle the peak traffic very smoothly. It saves 50% computing cost through the autoscaling and optimization than before. W11 is also the busiest time for the logistic companies. Cainiao Networks tell us in this W11, there are 2.3 billion delivery orders generated. STO Enterprise is one of the largest logistics companies in China, and it started to migrate the IT system to Alibaba Cloud since last year. And today, their core business systems are fully running on Kubernetes cluster by AZK. Our team helps them to modernize their IT system to cloud-native architecture, which is scalable, resilient, and elastic. They can handle dozens of million orders per day, process hundreds of millions packet tracking every day. After cloud migration, STO Enterprise saves their IT costs 50%. Let me give you some introduction for the Alibaba Cloud Container Service portfolio. Kubernetes service are actually built on top of the Alibaba Cloud as capabilities for public cloud, private cloud, and edge computing. And it integrates computing, storage, network, and security capabilities with optimization. There are 2 kinds of offering for Kubernetes services. One is managed Kubernetes, AZK, and another is the serverless Kubernetes, ASK, which has the simplified experience and extreme elasticity. AZK provides a secure, scalable, and stable container platform for enterprise customers. It provides end-to-end security capabilities, observabilities, hybrid cloud, and multi-cloud support. We also provide the Container Registry Services, ACR, for the cloud-native application asset management, such as Docker images, Helm charts, etc. And we also provide Alibaba Cloud Service Mesh to enable the microservice application across regions, environments, and implementations. Based on them, the developer can run different kinds of application workloads in cloud-native way. Now, ACK and ACR are available in the 19 regions around the world. As we know, the cost saving is one of the priorities for CL and CTO. Autoscaling is a key feature of Kubernetes for cost optimization. ACK provides comprehensive support for the autoscaling for both the resource layer and the application layer. The cluster autoscaler supports all kinds of ECS instances, including the virtual machine instance, bare metal instance, and GPU instance. And it also supports the supported instance. It can save the computing cost dramatically from 50% to 90%. Elastic Container Instance, ECI, is the serverless container runtime based on the micro VM technologies. And ECI can be integrated with ACK as a virtual node for infinite elastic capacity with no server maintenance. For the application layer, besides HPA and VPA, we also provide one cron HPA to scale the application periodically. For example, the customer can set policy to scale up the application 1 hour before the rush hour and scale in after a few hours later. It's a very simple and good way to balance between the stableness and resource cost. Container Registry Services Enterprise Edition, so-called ACREE, is a cloud-native artifact management and distribution system for enterprise customers. Developer can build the pipeline to automate the distribution process for containerized application very easily. For example, after image is pushed to the registry, it can trigger the image scan and then by your private key from KMS. ACRE supports the geo-replication. That means after one Docker image is pushed to one registry for a certain region, it can be replicated to the registry in other regions automatically. And ACRE provides a global access optimization. Kubernetes cluster can pull image with same domain name through the nearest registry with low latency. It is very helpful for the global application delivery. And ACRE also supports the delivery acceleration. The lazy polling can save 70% of the download time for the Docker images. The P2P distribution will be used for distribute image among very large clusters with thousands of nodes concurrently. From 2017, we started to migrate the whole IT infrastructure of Alibaba Group to cloud. And today, we successfully have one cloud-native W11. And we are helping many global customers for the cloud-native adoption for the new opportunity of business innovation. Thanks for listening and hope to get your feedback for your cloud-native story.